everybody, my name is Janaya Leah and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't be scared to click on that subscribe button. Oh wait. Alright, great. So as y'all can see, I'm sitting on the toilet, but it's not what you think. It's not what you think. I'm not even like that. Why would you think of me like that? Anyways, today we're in the bathroom because I am going to be giving y'all a tutorial on how I bleach my knots. So recently I bought myself 2 wigs from AliExpress, and so today I'm going to be doing a little small tutorial on how I bleach those knots on those wigs. Alright, so before we get started with the whole bleaching thing, I'm going to just go ahead and tell y'all a few ingredients y'all are going to need. So I just had some 40 developer laying around the house. 40 developer works very, very fast. So you're going to need some 40 developer. I have this big thing, one because I used to always bleach hair, and I'm bleaching 2 wigs today. So that's 1. Then 2, today I'm going to be using BW2 hair bleach. And I have about 3 packs. I may not need this many, but I'd rather have more than less. Then I also have this little spatula that I got from the kitchen in my mama's house. I've been using this to bleach hair, and don't return it to the kitchen if you get a spatula out the kitchen, because yeah, don't. Sorry mommy, you're not getting this back. But yes, so spatula, some people use a spoon, you may be able to use a butter knife. Okay, if you're gonna use these things, make sure they're plastic. Please don't use y'all silverware, okay? And don't eat with it when you're done using it. But anyways, yeah, it's best to just go to the hair store, maybe get a brush or something. I personally don't like using a brush, and y'all are going to see why once this video gets started. So first things first, like I said, we have our wigs inverted, and I don't think it really matters whether you start with a wet wig or a dry wig. And so I'm going to start with 2 dry wigs, okay? And at the end of the day, you're going to wet them later, so we'll see. And so you have a curly one or a deep wave, and then we have a straight one. And so I'm going to sit those to the side for now because it's not their time to shine yet, okay? Ooh, y'all need to move. Y'all see my mannequin? I'm gonna put one on the mannequin. Girl, you can go on a mannequin. She's so beautiful. But anyways, so I got my spatula. Oh yeah, did I say y'all need I got a plastic fork, okay? Plastic fork, plastic spoon, whatever. Just something to mix the bleach up once you put it in there, right? So first things first, I'm gonna shake up my bleach packet like some Kool-Aid. But it's not edible, so don't drink your bleach packet once you mix in the developer. Oh my gosh. And so I'm just really trying to get, you know, everything to the bottom, so when I open it, like, there's no surprise. I don't get bleach everywhere. And just to be safer than me, because I need y'all to be better than me, put some gloves on if you have some. I don't think I have any, so we'll be okay. But yeah, so just open the corner. Ooh, see, something's coming out. I'm gonna hold it over the trash can. And so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this bleach into my cup. If you have a bowl, that may serve you a lot better, but I don't. So yeah, so I'm using my red Solo cup. Okay. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the second pack because, like I said, I'm doing 2 wigs. So if I have more, it's cool because I have an extra pack on the side. And yeah, and also I'm gonna tell y'all, we want this bleach, this mixture, when we mix in a developer, we're not gonna use too much developer because we want this mixture to be very thick. Because if the mixture is liquidy, oh yeah, make sure you're in a ventilated area, okay? Excuse me. Anyways. But if this mixture is very liquidy, then it's going to make it very easy for it to seep through the lace and get a lot all over your hair. And unless you're trying to go for the whole bleached hair look, then I recommend making sure your mixture is very thick. And so I'm going to show y'all as I'm mixing. So I have my 40 developer. And so, ooh, did I just dump some out? Girl. And so once you start mixing, you can really see, you know, if you need to add more, or if you need to maybe throw in some more bleach. And so I say for this mixture, I need to add just a little bit more, because you want it to get to at least, you know, spoiled yogurt, maybe like cottage cheese, I would say. Maybe not cottage cheese, maybe like, you know, yogurt-ish. Okay, and so we're just mixing bate chocolate, bate chocolate. Okay, and so as y'all can see, it's a few little chunks up in here, and so we're gonna keep mixing until those are gone. Okay, and make sure if y'all are using a cup like me, scrape the bottom, scrape the corners, the crevices, all of that, because you're gonna have some bleach that doesn't have any developer in developer in it, that don't have it's gonna be dry. Okay, just make sure you get the corners. All right, great. And so that consistency is nice. As y'all can see, it's nice, it's thick, it's chunky, and so we're good. So we're gonna start off with our first wig, and so I'm gonna just hold the camera down like this so y'all can see. And so I already have this one out, right? And so we should be okay, only because our consistency is very thick. So I'm gonna just go through, comb the hair. This hair looks very nice. Okay, and so once we went through, comb the hair, we're gonna flip that lace, flip it inside out. And I just like to pull it just in case, because sometimes if the hair is laid up against the lace, it may still get some bleach on it. But you know what? It's not like, some bleach is better than a lot. So it's okay. You probably gonna get a few strands that got bleach or that get bleached. And so now we're gonna take our spatula. And with the spatula, we just gonna, you know, apply. And so I'm just starting, you know, I start like back here, and I just apply forward, but be very, 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 very light-handed, okay? And so this is really why, you know, just make sure when you go to the beauty supply store, make sure you get all the bleach you need, so that way, like, you're not having to be heavy-handed because you're running out of bleach. That way you can actually be light-handed. And so one thing I noticed already that I really don't like about this wig is that right here on the sides, it's not much hair. Like, I hate wigs like that, where like you have so much parting space like towards the middle, and then as you get to the sides, like, it's just not much hair. But it is what it is. And so that's too much, Janai. You're doing too much. And so I'm gonna just do that same thing, light-handedness. I'm gonna say light-headedness. That's why you need some a well-ventilated room, guys. And so just keep going, just keep swimming, and keep going. Oh, Jesus. And so at this point, I think we've just about applied it everywhere we need it, right? So there's no need for a second coat or anything. Like, we're all good. And so we're gonna grab this wig, sit this wig to the side. And so just to be safe, I'm gonna go through and kind of, yeah, and I think we did a pretty good job on that one. So we'll be okay. And so for rinsing off or whatever, I got this Shimmer Light shampoo, and it feels a little white, like my sister must have used it or something. So yeah, but anyways, on to the next wig. So this one, I feel like this one is HD lace, but how would I really even know, because I've never even seen HD lace. I'm just gonna have faith, okay? I'm just gonna have faith, because it's different. I don't know, I never really get a lace that blends to my skin like this one does. But yeah, definitely doesn't have a lot of parting space on this one, but it's all good. So yeah, same thing. Y'all watching? Okay. Light hand, guys. Don't be heavy-handed. Don't be applying this bleach like you be fighting your siblings, okay, sweetie? Be very, very light-handed. Alright, and so as y'all can see, when we did this, we put a lot of bleach in this mixture, which means this hair will not have to sit for a long time. So I'm gonna run in my room, find some more shampoo, and by the time I get back, this hair is gonna be ready to rinse. So y'all don't be thinking y'all can go downstairs and watch Power till it go on commercial. No, sweetie, you need to sit right here and watch this wig, because if you come back and you got 613 roots, it's gonna be a problem. But yeah, so y'all can set y'all timers. 5 minutes should be enough. Oh, I missed some of the hair on this one. Hold on, y'all. But 5 minutes should be enough. But just stay near y'all wigs and keep checking on that hair. Because if it's not, you know, just leave it on a little longer. But definitely keep an eye on these wigs, y'all. Please. Okay, guys. So I'm back, and so if y'all take a look at the roots on this wig, y'all can see it's just about where we need it to be. I already checked the roots on this other wig right here, and it's just not there yet. So we're gonna set this one right here, and they're gonna switch positions because we are going to move to the bathtub. And so I'm not really concerned with getting the purple shampoo all on the hair. I just more so want it on the roots. And so yeah, and so I'm gonna let that sit for about 1 minute and we'll be back to pick you up. Okay, I promise I'm coming back. Okay guys, so we're back and it's time to rinse. So I have my wig. It don't look too different, but there's a change, okay? There's a change. If you want to go through and, I don't know, condition the wig, that's completely up to you. But right now, we just gonna have a look at this lace because I'm convinced, like, I think it is HD. Because I have not had a lace like this before. But so these are the knots now, guys. These are the knots. And so this is how it looks. It's on my arm. Oh my goodness. Where is it? Oh, I can't wait to put this one on, y'all. I can't wait. Okay, so I'm guessing this one must be HD lace. And it's so pretty. Oh, look at you. Okay, anyways, that's enough. So now let's check on our second wig. Let's see if that one is ready. Okay, she looks like she's about ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and take her and put her in the wash station as well. Of course, it didn't bleach as many knots as the last one, but it still did a pretty good job. Okay, so y'all can look at the roots, and I'll put it on my arm. Still not 100% on if it's HD, but we'll see. And so this one looks amazing as well, guys. I really like this one. I honestly can't wait. Like, I think this is HD. Anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning in to my video today. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more content like this, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And you already know, make sure you hit on that red subscribe button. Yes, it's right down there. Right down there, or maybe right down there. I don't know, it's right down somewhere, but make sure y'all hit that button, okay? Because I worked hard for this. I did, okay? But anyways, if y'all want to see more content like this, please let me know. And if y'all enjoyed this video, please like this video, and I will see y'all on my next video. Just said video like 3 times, but